it's me again, Maribel Du, and welcome back to my channel. Right now, we are at Prime Homes subdivision. We are checking the property here in Mount Hawaii. So we are now inside the root RFO units, and this is the townhouse project. So this is 32 square meter for lot area and 46 for the floor area. So you can go inside, take a look at the unit. So this is the living area. This one here is the living area, and take note, their window is sliding. And this one here is the kitchen area, but there's no overhead cabinet. Instead, you can put your kitchen here. This is a dirty kitchen. You have your basin here, this one here, and you can close this one as and this one is the service area, but you can use this as another room. It depends on you. Okay, we still have another extra lot here. So it's up to you if you want to maximize the space or the lot area para dili sayang. And you can have also second floor, or you can have roof for in this area. The second floor of Prime Hills subdivision here in Mang Hawaii, and this is the master's bedroom. We call it master's bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom unit. This is a townhouse and RFO ready for occupancy, and we are in the mountain of Mang Hawaii. So as you can see here, now siya ready for cabinet. Yeah, and then the window is sliding window. And we will proceed to the other bedroom, which is here. This is the bedroom 2. It's smaller than the other one. And again, it is a sliding window. And as you can see, as what you see here, you can have a second floor toilet if you want, but at your own expense. And you can extend your area or your house up to that point here, there in the coconut tree. This one, the coconut tree, that is the boundary of the lot.
In my comfortable room alone, enjoying this free time. In my own special space, relaxing, just being me. Sunlight streaming through the window, reading on a cozy sofa.
Like if you want to reserve this unit, because this is ready for occupancy as low as 16,000 monthly, then you can call me at 0977-382-44164 reservation. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to be updated in my upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!